Once you have created a table with Altair Monarch's PDF Table Extractor, you can modify the table as needed. For example, we can drag the handles of this table to exclude the date headers and the total line. Because we have selected a table, we can see additional functions in the toolbar. These buttons appear when the functions are applicable to the current selection. These functions are also available from the context menu when you right-click on the document panel. There are selection options as well as table, column, and header operations. Let's try a few of these out and modify our table, starting with the extra columns we see here. Simply select the column and choose Delete Selected. We can also delete the column by clicking the X that appears when we make a selection. It is also possible to exclude specific values that you do not want to capture. Select the line or section of the report and choose Exclude from Table. In case you change your mind, you can undo and redo the last action performed. Now let's define our column headers. We can select an entire row and use Set Row as column headers. Or select a portion of the row and use the Define Headers function. Monarch may ask you to drag your selection to the specific column that the header should extend to. Now let's adjust the column names using the Modify Headers function. For this example, let's shorten the first column header and adjust the date headers as well. We can enter a prefix if needed. Now let's set the table name. Highlight the text and choose Set as Table Title. Finally, we can add metadata columns to our table. We can enter the creation date, file name, and page number from our source PDF.